Hello, I'm Jay, owner of Volunteer Audio in Oliver Springs, Tennessee. I've got my friend Ralph here in his 2016 CVO Street Glide. Beautiful bike. Drove all the way from Miami. Just one way is about 13 and a half hours from what I looked at. I think that's about right. But he made the trip all the way here to East Tennessee. A little rainy today, so we're not going to do a walkway, but I had to show you this bike. It's absolutely beautiful. It looks perfect to me. It's got awesome lighting on it, even behind the speakers. Started with the Boom Stage 2 system, and we put the new Soundstream HDHU.14Si. So now he's got the custom gauges on screen, so many added features, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and now his fairing looks like that 19 or newer bike. Really updated it, made it look a lot better. But he also had Boom Stage 2 speakers that were already blown on one of the rear ones, and he wanted it louder, and I think you said you wanted it to be a Miami system.
A Miami sound system.
So we had to get it loud enough that down in Miami it turned some heads. So we've done the huge Hertz SP4.900, that 2,000 watt amp. We did the Hertz SX165Neos. That's the 6.5 with the tweeter in it up in the upper fairing. In the lowers, we did the SV165s. That's the 6.5 inch mid bass. And in the lids, we adapted it with some American hardbags adapters from that 5x7 that was factory to the Hertz SX690Neo 6x9. No wiring was cut. Nothing was modified in any way that couldn't be put back if wanted to be. And we want to keep everything intact as far as wiring. I think that's another reason that we have such beautiful bikes brought such a long distance to us. But also, man, it sounds amazing. Again, not going to do a walkway because it's raining outside and I don't want to put us through that. But we're going to turn it on here and we're going to see what it sounds like, kind of get Ralph's reaction on it too. All right, so you know we got to play copyright-free music. I got a little Latin-inspired music here, a little bit more Miami feel we're going to play than our normal rock that we play. So we'll see how this works out, see what it sounds like. All right, so I know this thing is so loud, it's probably blowing the mic out. It's crystal clear here though. No distortion, it might be through the video. Pretty good tight bass. Good crisp highs, yeah. I think he's gonna turn a lot of heads and everybody's definitely gonna hear you coming and going.
Yeah. For sure. But they're gonna say, where did you get that? Say, well, all the way in Tennessee, my friend Jay.
So we would love to meet you. We'd love for you to come out and visit us as well. We're just about 45 minutes from the Great Smoky Mountains, Tail of the Dragon, another place called the Devil's Triangle. Some great places to ride while you're up here. Good place to visit as we get a little warmer, a little bit more into spring and into summer. But if you wanted to do this yourself, remember Volunteer Audio offers DIY plug-and-play packages. This is something you could do with some of our step-by-step videos, but if it's outside of your wheelhouse, maybe more than you want to do, definitely come visit us. We'd love to have you here. We'd love to take care of that system. But I just couldn't take the chance not to show you this beautiful bike. I mean, everything about it's just immaculate. And we're so blessed to get to work on so many bikes that we just drool over, you know, the whole time it's here. But thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, definitely like it. Subscribe to the channel to see more of what we do. Check out all of our packages at volunteeraudio.com, or you can definitely call us. We'd love to talk to you, walk you through the system that you want to do, kind of guide you through it at 1-844-30-AUDIO. So definitely reach out to us. You can also comment below in the YouTube video. We're pretty quick to reply back, answer whatever questions you have. But thank you so much for watching, and as always, God bless.